Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset iPhone instant fix step by step clearly. Begin by locating the side button and either volume button on your iPhone. If you have an iPhone 8 or later, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then, quickly press and release the volume down button. Now, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down button and the side button together. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears. If you're using an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold the home button and the side button at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until the Apple logo displays. Once you see the logo, you can release the buttons. Your iPhone will automatically restart. This process will reset your device without affecting any data. If you are experiencing more persistent issues, you may want to consider a factory reset through Settings. To do this, navigate to your iPhone Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, scroll to the bottom and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Confirm your selection by tapping Erase Now. Your iPhone will proceed to reset to. This option is for when you want to completely wipe your device. Make sure to back up any important data before proceeding with a factory reset. After the reset, your iPhone will return to its original setup state. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device as new or restore from a backup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.